Okay class, today we are going to write 18 pages of essay about the Peanuts movie. Jarrett, was that you just burped?
No. Okay, I burped.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
So Jarrett, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Jarrett, how dare you burped in class and now at me? You know that is disgusting. You are hereby suspended for 15 days. Go home now. Scram. Jarrett, how dare you burp in class, in front of the principal? Oh. Jarrett, how dare you burp at me now? That's it. You are grounded for 22 weeks. And this means no peanuts for you.
But Dad, I love the movie Peanuts as much as I like the film.
Too bad, Jarrett. You're in deep trouble. You are grounded and that's final. Now go upstairs to your room now.